Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing and putting together this 58-inch barn door TV console. I got it from Walmart. Our part is a W5344 stone gray. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nice. Okay, I like the color. Perfect, kind of matches the floor, so that's what I was looking for. Let me get it together and usually the parts are numbered, which they are here in this instance. So what I like to do is get parts together for the most part, so I can have easy access to them. I've been doing this a long time. I mean, started from other things like IKEA. So for those who have bought products from IKEA, you know how tedious that can be. So you can do IKEA furniture, then this is nothing. And I get to know what and how things go together at this point. You know, me and my wife spent, one time we bought a bunk bed for our son, but it was an elaborate bunk bed, and we spent a couple of hours into the wee mornings of the night to put that together, and that's been the longest it's ever taken us to put something, but it was very intricate. Still has it to this day. It's a strong piece of furniture, but it's a bunk bed, and then under it has a desk that you can pull out with a chair, so it's kind of an all-in-one. It grows with him. When he was in school, he can pull the desk out, do his homework, and he's good to go. So as I mentioned, these are numbered for the most part. So I just pull them out. I like to get an idea of what everything looks like, where it is, the pieces. Here we go. I like to get to the hardware so I can take that out and bunch it together. And then from there, start figuring out where the major pieces are. Like, this is probably the bottom piece here that I can see. And then start. Oh man, it's damaged. Oh my god, look at that. That is destroyed. Whoa. Shit. That's not gonna work. Darn it. You can see that. Destroyed piece right there. Unfortunately, with shipping, obviously fell on something. Yeah.
Yeah, the pieces finally got the new pieces, new box sent. So there you go.
No hole.
My goodness. So all looks good. Let's set that up. Parts bag, all out. This is what you'll be working with. Here are the instructions.
Booklet, a couple of pages, a few different languages. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, I've done this before. The layout. Once you get yourself situated, have all the parts out, you'll be able to do it. I suggest you use 2 people. I'm used to doing it by myself, so I'm fine. If I need help, I'll call somebody to help me. But yeah, next time you see it, you'll probably see it in various stages, all complete. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to get it together. So steps 1 and 2 complete. Did the boards 9, 10. I think 1, 2. I use bags A, B, C, but B out of the BC. So it's coming along. Slowly with the dowels and the screw. I'm using my trusted Ryobi. Always use these with the battery. P236A. Was the Ryobi.
You see the number there, P264, P236A. You know, I use it because it has the variable with the trigger. So when I put in these, you know, they want you to make sure that you use a screwdriver, but I'm so used to using the power tool, I can adjust it with my finger. I've been doing it for a few years now, so it's not a problem. Alright, so we're getting closer. We're going up to steps 8 now. So you see the pieces are forming. This is going to be the bottom right there. I'm going to flip it over and attach those two. And those are going to be the bottom, starting with put this top on after we put those sides on. So it's coming along. It's not hard at all. Just take your time and use that power drill. Alright, so we're over here by steps 12 now. So we put it up, cut the backs on. Gonna put the top on now. As you can see, I put the glue on the dowels before I drop it down on the tops. And then the doors will be next. So it's coming along. Alright, at the end stage, it's pretty much together. Just got to put up the doors. You see that? The hinges with the handle, the screws. These will be the pieces for the locks. So press magnet lock right here. Looks pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. So well worth the money. And of course, like I said, I did it by myself. I'm a tall guy, so you might need help if you know, you have a bad back or something like that. Someone to help you put some pieces and hold pieces together while you connect them. Pretty good. I'll see when the door's up, and that'll be it. Alright, so there it is. Comes from this. And now we are looking at this. Put together. Looks pretty good. Pretty sturdy. Got the locks and everything there. The space. See that? The magnet holds it closed. Looks pretty good. It's a pretty sturdy piece of material. Not bad at all. It can be done. It took maybe, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours. 2 hours, I'll say. And of course, I'm really experienced, so you could take that with a grain of salt, and it looks beautiful.